showing you guys how to use this application here like a pro. So make sure to watch the full video and stay tuned. This is pretty much the home screen of the application, and you have a lot of options we can choose from. You can search about top peoples, like very popular people around the world. You can see here Elon Musk. You can ask questions about Elon Musk. You can ask questions about Donald Trump. A lot of people you can search. Not just only that, all you have to do is pretty much enter their name at the top. If you're very popular, you'll be easily found. You'll be easily able to find them. You can also do a face scan as well. All you have to do is upload a clear picture of your face and be able to find them on the internet. So this application pretty much scans Instagram, Facebook, all of those social media websites to find matching personalized reviews that you have to upload. And the search option here, you can put information as it is. First, let's say name, username, that they have. Also, email address if you know that one, and also some other information that probably a name about the person trying to get back with them. So a lot of features which you can use. You have the face option here, as I said before, and they do give you an example of how the image should look. I keep saying this, guys, make sure the image is clear. If you will not get good results if it's a bad image. So that's pretty much like that here, and you can either take a picture right away, or you can choose something from the gallery. I just happen to choose gallery option. So nothing much for that, very easy. So don't fear, you have some different options you can use. Maybe public mention, news reports, nothing much. And if I tap on this option, we'll just get the option to search for the name. Nothing much for that. So in the pro subscription that they offer, you will get unlimited name searches and some other features. And as you can see here, your subscription prices, you do get 8 days. Subscription here, you can see the price, and at here is subscription. However, this application doesn't offer free trials, so you keep that in mind. So very good application as well.